Symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. I hope you all having a fantastic day. Welcome to Auto Repair. Today we going to learn about the symptoms of a bad voltage regulator. The purpose of a voltage regulator is to prevent the alternator from undercharging or overcharging the battery. This ensures your battery stays charged to start your car and prevents damage from overcharging. In most vehicles, the voltage regulator is either attached to or located inside the alternator. In older cars with carburetors, it might be found on the firewall. Some newer cars don't have a separate voltage regulator. Instead, the alternator voltage is controlled by the engine control module. If you are unsure where to find it, I'll link an excellent repair manual in the description below. A voltage regulator can fail in two ways. It may either restrict the voltage required to charge the battery or send too much voltage. Both failures create different symptoms, which we'll discuss today. Symptom 1. Warning lights. The first sign of a faulty voltage regulator is illuminated warning lights, particularly the battery light. In some cases, you may see additional warning lights turn on as well. Symptom 2. Discharged battery. Another symptom is a discharged battery. If your car won't start, it could be due to the voltage regulator limiting the voltage needed to charge the battery. This leaves the battery with insufficient power to crank the engine. Symptom 3. Dead battery, especially one that needs replacement before its expected lifespan, is another indication. Overcharging. Anything above 15 volts can damage the battery and shorten its lifespan. Symptom 4. Headlight issues. You may experience headlight problems, such as increased brightness when accelerating or dimmer than usual headlights. Both can be caused by voltage irregularities due to a faulty regulator. Symptom 5. Blown fuses are another possible symptom. A bad voltage regulator can cause the alternator to overcharge the battery, increasing voltage. According to Ohm's law, higher voltage results in higher amperage. If the amperage exceeds the fuse rating, the fuse will blow. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.